So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So yesterday, we talked about the GBPJPY actually dropping to a level of 157. Then it actually gave us that bullish move. We talked about it yesterday. I think the price was actually trading at a level of 159. Yes, it was trading at a level of 159 yesterday. So we talked about having, this drop to a level of 157. Once it can give us this drop to a level of 157, then we expect a bullish move to a level of, 160 or 161. So that is what we talked about. And guess what? JPY actually gave us that level, give us that drop to a level of, 157 for today. So the next day, we would want to predict this movement, what this movement will be made the next day. So let's start with the food trend. We will have to zoom it out. You can see that this GBP JPY is actually on a downtrend move. Price is giving us a lower lows, a lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs. You can also see it right. So now let's go to the 4 hour time frame. So we can clearly see that there is kind of like a reaction at this level here. So price eventually came to this level of 157 we talked about. So let's see it actually hit a level of 160. So let's GBPJPY give us a bullish move. So that is what I'm watching out for. I think a level of 160.200, a level of 160.200, to a level of 160.390. So let's watch out for those two levels. If GBPJPY can hit that level of 160.200 or a level of 160.390, then we expect it to actually drop again. So this GBPJPY first, a movement up, then another drop. That is what we should watch out for on GBPJPY. Now let's see this 1 hour time frame. You can see this 1 hour time frame. Price is kind of spiking up, it's kind of going bullish. So let's expect more movement, especially once this price is trading above the 10 period simple moving average on the 1 hour time frame. So let's expect more movement on GBP JPY.